how to do this?
Yeah, I can help you. Hang on.
I know how to kill these monsters. It should go like that. Why? It is supposed to go like no, let's go like this. But it should go upside down. Like that.
Ta-da!
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are you guys building? What you making, Leo? What you making?
Yeah.
What'd you make?
Shooting gun.
Shooting gun?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, yeah? I think I can get you with wrestling, Leo. Ha-ha.
But you can't touch my airplane.
Ha-ha. Ha-ha. Oh, no. Your shooting gun is broken. We can fix it. Come on.
I will fix it.
Let's go fix it together. Come on.
I will fix it.
Let's. How about Leo? Do you want Quinn to fix it, or do you want to do it yourself?
You do it. You do it.
There we go. That's a pretty quick fix. All right. Where you going, Leo? Where are you going? Well, why don't we stay downstairs? Let's stay downstairs. Yeah. Get you, Leo. Get you, Leo.
Yeah.
Sure.
Here you are. I did kill man.
You shot him with your shooting gun, Leo?
Yeah.
Quinn, how do you feel about that?
Bad.
Bad. Leo, he doesn't like it when you shoot him. Is that a nice thing to do to somebody, shooting them? Leo? Is that a nice thing to do to somebody?
No. Bad movies going.
Oh, that's really not very nice to shoot people, is it?
Vika. Zip, 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 zip.
And we know you're just pretending, Leo. I liked what you made. I like that you made something with Legos.
Zoom in upstairs and you catch.
I will in a few minutes. We'll go up in a few minutes, Leo. Let's keep building some more things with Legos for a few more minutes, and then we'll go up. Okay? What else can you make? What else can you build, Leo?
Big shooting gun.
A bigger one? What are you making, Quinn?
Batman house.
You're making a Batman's house?
Yes.
Whoa.
Batman doesn't have a house. I'm building his house so he can stay warm.
So he can stay warm? Wow, that's nice of you. Everybody needs a place to stay warm, including Batman, I guess.
Batman needs a house.
Batman needs a house?
I can help.
Can you tell me what would Batman's house be like?
Um,
What's it going to be like?
like, is friends there? His friend at home.
You know, this is a place where his friends can come visit him?
Yes.
Is this Batman's plane over here?
Yes.
That's Batman's plane?
Yes. And
Awesome.
friends can ride it too. Can I help you? No. Yeah.
Let me take a look at some of the stuff that you're
I
doing.
wanted help.
All right, Leo, I think he wants to work on his own on this, okay? Leo, why don't we work together on something? Okay? Let's let Quinn do his own thing. He doesn't want help right now.
Why?
I don't know why. Let's ask him. Why don't you want to help, Quinn?
Because I don't need help.
Okay, that's it, Leo. He says he doesn't need help. Sometimes you want to do stuff by yourself. Sometimes you want help.
I'm going to do my own house.
This time he doesn't want help. He wants to do it by himself, which is fine.
I'm going to do my own house.
Can we take a look at what you're doing?
Yes.
Okay, so this is Batman's house right here?
Yes.
All right. Is that the front door right there? Is that the front door to Batman's house or what? Back door?
Yes.
That's the back door? Oh, that's the back door. Okay. Very cool.
I'm making my own house. This is Batman's door.
That's the door. Oh, okay.
And it's shut.
Oh, I see. Look, it even has a door. That's has a door that opens and closes, doesn't it? Can you show how it works? Yeah, I see. Okay. Very cool.
It's my own house.
Oh, Leo, you're building a house. Let's see your house.
Is it another Batman house? Is it another Batman? Another Batman?
Do you have anybody in mind that's going to live in that house, Leo? Is it like Quinn's building a house for Batman? Are you going to build your house for somebody?
Batman's going to go in here.
You think Batman might live there too?
Wait, are you going to build a Batman plane? My friends like Batman's friends are going to be here.
Oh, that's for Batman's friends?
Batman's going to share with their friends.
Batman's going to share with his friends?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's very good of Batman to share with his friends, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you had a house, would you share with your friends, Leo? Yeah.
Can I have door 2?
Hey, Quinn, what's this thing right here? Can you tell me something about this? What is this?
It's his party.
It's his party. No, I'm talking about this thing right here. What is that?
It starts Batman's plane.
It starts Batman's plane. What do you mean by it starts Batman's plane?
Is
that like actually
push
literally?
The button, it flies outer space.
Oh, okay. So this thing right here is this Batman's plane? This whole thing is Batman's plane right here.
Yes.
That's Batman's plane.
Yes.
And where's the starter? You said there's a starter?
Yes.
What starts Batman's plane? That thing. Okay. This thing right here starts the plane?
Yes.
When you press this button, it goes flying into outer space?
Can I have
Whoa.
door?
That's pretty awesome.
Can I have door? Yeah, and it goes to California to visit on Charlie's brothers.
Oh, that plane can go to California?
Yes.
To visit Owen and Charlie's brothers. Wow. That's pretty sweet. How long does it take to get there?
12 hours.
It takes 12 hours to get there? Well, that's not too bad. It's certainly faster than driving. How fast does it go?
Oh, really, really fast.
Yeah? And you said it can go to outer space too?
Yes,
And Batman? Is Batman the pilot of the plane or what?
he is pilot.
He's the pilot? Batman's the pilot?
And he has buckles.
He has buckles.
Yes.
Batman has buckles.
His plane.
His plane has buckles. I see. Alright, well, that's very cool what you're doing.
Can I have door?
Leo, let me see what you're doing. Can you tell me about your project, Leo? What are you making?
It's my airplane style airplane.
An airplane style airplane?
Yeah.
Whoa! Okay.
And then made another style make another one. But mine is a rocket plane. Rocket plane code is astronaut's plane.
That's a plane for astronauts?
And it's faster than planes.
Oh yeah? Your rocket plane?
Super fast.
Your rocket plane is faster than regular planes?
Yes.
Wow.
And when he points to, this is how fast they are.
That's how fast regular planes are?
No.
Oh, the rocket plane is that fast.
Rocket plane.
How fast are regular planes? That pretty fast too, huh?
And mine plane is this fast.
I see.
That's how fast Batman's plane is.
Okay.
It's fast.
Wow.
Batman needs a fast airplane so he can go to California.
Batman needs a fast airplane to go to California?
Yes.
What does Batman do when he goes to California?
He has to drive this super fast.
He drives his plane super fast to California.
Yes.
And then what does he do when he gets to California?
He just says hi to his family.
He says hi to his family?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And he plays with them. And he sleeps with them. And they don't and they ask and they if Batman will ask somebody if they can have Trino's brother's toys.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Batman has family in California. I didn't realize that. He goes out there to visit and says hi to his family.
Yes.
What kind of family is it? Is it his parents?
Yes.
Is it
parents.
his brothers and sisters that live there, or what?
No, it has brothers and sisters.
How many brothers does he have?
12.
Batman has 12 brothers, and how many sisters?
40.
49 sisters and 12 brothers. Wow.
12?
That's a very big family.
12 is bigger than 7.
12 is bigger than 7. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to figure that out with Legos? How much more is 12 than 7? 12 is bigger than 7, but by how much? Do you know what I mean by that?
5 to 4.
5 is the right answer. You said 5. That's the right answer.
5 to 4 to 5, 7.
Well, 5 to 4 to 7, I don't quite understand that. But 5, if you say 12 is bigger than 7, yes. And the amount it's bigger than 7 by is 5. That's right. Another way of saying that is that 12 minus 7 is 5. Or 12 minus 5 is 7. Or 5 plus 7 is 12. I'm curious at how you arrived at that answer of 5. How did you come up with 5? How did you know it was 5?
It's a boom blanca.
Can we do something with Legos and show it real quick, Quinn? Do you want to go through the math, or you rather just build your stuff?
I'm just building
Okay,
stuff.
well, we'll do math another time then. Did you know that Batman has 12 brothers and 49 sisters? They live in California, apparently, many of them. Batman flies out on his plane to say hi to them from time to time.
And he sleeps there, and he doesn't go home.
He doesn't go home?
No, just stay there for
He
a long
just stays
time.
there for a little bit. Interesting. So much for me to learn.
Yeah, I didn't realize that either. I mean, I've been familiar with Batman for a long time, but never knew that he was such a family man, and that he had such a big family.
Yeah. 49 sisters. Can you imagine living in that house?
Yeah. What would you think, Quinn, if you had 49 sisters, and they all lived here with us at our house? Would that be crazy?
Yeah, it's too big.
Leo, that's pretty crazy, huh?
It's too big.
What's too big, Leo?
Our house is too big.
Our house is too big? Do you mean that our house is too small for 49 people to live in it?
No.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah, no.
Maybe that's what you meant? What are you making, Leo? Can you tell me about it?
These are steps for the family's house. These are steps for the family's house.
Those are steps for the family's house, Leo?
Yeah.
Whose house, Leo?
This is done.
Show me, Quinn.
Let's see what you got. That's done?
Look
Okay, tell me about it. What is it?
It's like a cleaning bag, so it's done.
It's what? Say it again.
Got the bones.
Wow, that's very cool.
Yes.
I like it. That looks like a very interesting house to live in. You go through the door, and then what do you do when you go through the door when you enter the
And
house?
he plays in the house.
Who plays in the house?
Batman.
Batman plays in there?
And his mom's is.
Oh, Batman's mom lives there too?
Yes.
All right.
It's Dom Gumbado. It's a building.
What are you making, Leo? You making a building?
Making a building for the family's house.
For the family's house? Okay, that's very cool. Let me see what you got. Oh, Leo, that's good. I like it. You're a good builder, Leo.
Me too.
Quinn, you're a good builder as well. You guys are both doing really good with your building.
And it flies to outer space.
Oh yeah? That flies to outer space, Leo?
Yeah.
Wow. What happens when it goes into outer space? What does it see out there? When the plane or the building goes into outer space, what happens?
You tell.
No, I'm asking you, Leo, because I don't know. I want you to tell me. What happens in outer space?
You tell.
No, you tell me, Leo.
Buildings.
So the building goes into outer space, and then what happens? What does it see in outer space? Does it encounter anything out there?
Big kids.
Oh, it sees big kids in outer space?
Yeah.
I did not realize that there were big kids in outer space. What are the big kids doing out there in outer space, Leo?
Playing.
The big kids are playing. I guess that makes sense. That's what big kids do, right?
They take people and they go out to space.
The big kids are out there in outer space?
Yeah. They're like me.
Like you? Do you ever go to outer space, Quinn?
Yes.
Really? When? When's the last time you went to outer space?
The building.
Did you go today?
No.
No? What about yesterday?
I did.
Do you go at night usually or during the day?
In the night.
You go at nighttime, you go to outer space?
Yes.
Wow, man. Will you take me sometime?
Yes.
Can I come with you? All right. Awesome. I look forward to it.
To make it